Getting ready to leave. 7:43 a.m. Apparently you're still doing time pass only when you're supposed to leave at 7:30 sharp. We're leaving today for Pangong Lake. So today's stay will be at Pangong, and if the bookings hold up, tomorrow's stay will be at Hanle, where we'll also cross Umlingla. Not a bad view for 7:48 a.m. I'm in 3 layers, not feeling cold. Nubra Valley, as you can see. This is the view we missed in the night when we were reaching Totok at what, 10:30. What waits around the corner?
I want you to listen.
The Nubra Valley. Keep your eyes on the road.
Because your brain will take care of that automatically. You don't have to try to understand anything. Just listen to the sound. Listen to the sound.
रोहन फक्त काय पाहता ना गाडीला मागचं हल्लंय थोडी खाली घे स्टँड कर MC stand.
My God, thank you, boys.
तुम्ही म्हणतो गाडी का
And all you're doing is watching it. Is watching it. Watching it. Watching it.
Time right now is 9:54 a.m. We've traveled around 56 kilometers since morning. We left on time, but then one of the bikes had an issue, as you may have already seen. Tamina's bike I think got hit by a stone which is on the road, and it hit the engine where the bash plate should have been. The question you will ask is, why was the bash plate not installed? It all comes down to the mechanic you choose. She was promised the bash plate, she had paid the money for the bash plate, but the bash plate was not installed. And she's right to be pissed about it. We don't know whether this can be fixed. The boys got together, loaded the bike up on the support vehicle, and now she's also traveling with the rest of the support crew. Our destination today is for Pangong Lake. Jai Mata Di. Jai Mata Di ही करके चलो. Hopefully the Dominar is up to the task. सब parts लगे हुए हैं, सब पुर्जे जुड़े हुए हैं. Altitude is 10,000 feet. Engine is slightly struggling with the air intake. I'm ready for the rains as well today, so bring it on! Oh shit, fuck. आराम से आराम से.
Get him out. Roll away. Roll out.
भाई छोड़, तू अपना टांग देख पहले.
First, check yourself. You're here.
कुछ लीक हुआ. Fuck.
Okay. Check yourself. What's gloves off? You don't know that yet.
रुक जा, 2 मिनट बैठ जा.
So lucky.
भाई मुझे लगा था तू गया, जिस तरह तू गिरा.
When someone stays down like
Fuck.
that,
बच गया बच गया बच गया.
doesn't get up. It's so sad.
Fuck, क्या दिन चल रहा है भाई ये.
Where the fuck is Baba?
सब ठीक है.
Let's just check the coolant once.
अरे मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया वो पूरा. वो पूरा रिकॉर्ड हुआ है जो तेरे को घिसड़ के लेके गया है. हाँ, I was recording him and that fucker just swiped him.
Which fucker?
Innova.
Innova hit him.
Oh, this is too much for one day. Fuck. Dude, it happened in front of my eyes. It could have been me. It was just him.
Anyone.
Fuck. So he asked me to start recording and I said, okay, wait 1 minute. And he was on my right. Innova didn't honk, it didn't do nothing. I couldn't figure out when the Innova came through and he just swiped him and I thought the bike was just gonna go under the car. Look at him. He's already back on the bike. कुछ नहीं हुआ. मेरे को तो लगा था आया गाड़ी के नीचे. प्लीज़ आज के दिन और कुछ ना हो. एक बाइक ऑलरेडी ख़राब हो चुका है, चढ़ चुका है. कोई डैमेज नहीं बाइक को, सिर्फ थोड़ा कूलेंट लीक हुआ, मिरर टूट गया और बिना मिरर के अब चलाने लगा हुआ है. सड़क भी देख ले बहन. Praise the bridge that carried you over. Thank you. Akash and the support vehicle are behind me and I don't know where the rest of the gang is. They're probably up ahead only, but I don't know how far. At this point it just feels like I'm riding solo. No one I can see in front of me, no one I can see behind me. Just me and the mountains. Does it feel like you're in our own country? Does it feel like you're in India? I'm about 5 or 4 kilometers from Diskit. There were plans to see the Diskit monastery, but I will find out only once I reach there. Diskit monastery. Here we finally are. Oh my god. It's icy and I didn't wear gloves because this is not too far from the fuel station. So I thought it's just like a 5-minute ride, right? But no. No one's following me. Again, it's like I'm on a solo ride. Bloody hell. Also, it was so windy at the fuel station. I think my balaclava just flew off. Luckily I had a spare, so I'm using that. What if this one blows off? Then I have another spare. We were given some goodies, some moto accessories like a t-shirt, a jersey and a balaclava from Reese Moto, Nubra Valley. It's unforgiving in its climate. Time right now is 11:24 AM. I hope my gloves don't fly off now because it's that windy. Yeah, I'm on the right path. डिस्किट मोनेस्ट्री भी देख लिया फाइनली। जब मोनेस्ट्री आ रहे थे तब एकदम हवा काटने को आ रही थी, वही सब गियर अप कर लिए दोबारा, तो एवरीथिंग इज फाइन। क्यूटी गर्ल्स किधर घूमी घूमी करने चले हुए हो? हाँ, इतनी ठंड में। काश व्हाट अ फॉल टुडे। His accelerator cable is, for a lack of a better word, fucked. Gets stuck sometimes and then it doesn't work. पैंगोंग का प्लान भी एकदम जोखिम में है। कहीं तो लैंडस्लाइड हुआ है रास्ते में, तो जो पैंगोंग का चढ़ने का रास्ता उस तरफ से था, खारदुंग साइड से, वहाँ से गाड़ियाँ डाइवर्ट होके आ रही हैं। सपोर्ट व्हीकल पीछे है, बाकी बाइक्स आगे हैं, बीच में मैं हूँ, और क्या ही व्यू है। ओह क्या बात है। यहाँ क्या करेंगे अभी? फोटो सेशन? हाँ, बैकस्ट्रीट बॉयज टाइप खड़े हो गए साले।
Oh my God, we're just making sparks, keep on rising, keep on rising. Hold on, waiting for the sun to, waiting for the sun to.
Finally, some good road. Oh yeah! Guided escort. क्या बात है? This looks like a road to heaven. So Pangong is finally happening, and everyone else is busy taking photographs and videos. I just wanted to vent out my feelings after such a horrible off-road patch that almost made me throw up my entire lunch. Oh no, I spoke too soon. Another off-road patch. I hope this is the route, because that's more off-roading. It's a very small water crossing, but it's a water crossing nonetheless. Left or right? Left or right? Right. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh my god, nice. Nice. The tip is to grip the tank and let the rear wheel slide. किधर रह गए लोग? वाटर क्रॉसिंग पे रुक गए क्या? No, no, don't leave me. I'm anyway almost riding solo in a group ride, so yeah. That was sarcasm, by the way. I can figure out a route through this. Shouldn't be an issue. He's gone back all the way and still I can't see them. So the landscape, the roads, they keep changing every few kilometers on this route. Time is 3:23. At least you have fresh tarmac. This is extremely new and it's an absolute pleasure to drive on. Oh, okay, this is dangerous. One wrong move. Okay, all good. Let's go. Drive slower, live longer. Drink less, live more.
keep it on to